Hello brothers and sisters in Christ, this is Jeffrey with the Christian Overwatch, and today we're going to be talking about science. Now why do I say it that way? Science. Well, that's because science, mainstream science that is lying to you. Wow, really? Shocker. I know, right? Mainstream science has an agenda. This agenda has been for the past several hundred years to disprove God. You see this manifest in a couple major ways. First two we're going to talk about are evolution and the Big Bang Theory. Now both of these theories make little to no sense, are based on hardly any actual science, violate many laws of physics. They're full of holes and areas we can't explain. They have to keep coming up with all these crazy theories and equations to try to even prove a fraction of the theory. They can't even prove the whole thing, just trying to prove parts of it. Any rational scientist would have thrown these theories out long ago. Why are we still holding on to them? See, they're still taught as science because of something known as the impossibility of the contrary. See, they know that God didn't create the universe. Therefore, however impossible the Big Bang Theory seems, it must be fact because God didn't create the universe. God didn't create people or animals. So therefore, evolution, no matter how impossible, must have happened because we know there's no God. See, and this ends up skewing the results of actual science. You see this manifest in the idea of the theories of geocentric versus heliocentric, Earth-centered versus sun-centered universe. Now, don't think I'm crazy and I'm from the dark ages when I say geocentric. If you look at the science, the actual real numbers of both of these theories, both of them are equally plausible. Both of them make sense mathematically. And in fact, we don't really have any conclusive proof to prove either one. And actually in my research, I came across a couple experiments that were done which actually lean toward the geocentric view. But I'm not going to say one way or another. I will let you decide, do your own research. But if we don't really know either way, geocentric versus heliocentric, Earth versus sun-centered view of the universe, if we don't really know why is one taught as fact and the other looked upon as, dark age lie. Well, see, if the Earth was the center of the universe, that would make us special, wouldn't it? See, the geocentric view says that the Earth is stationary and the rest of the cosmos, the rest of everything that's out there revolves around us. That would put us in a very special place. However, according to science, you're not special. In fact, you're nothing. Literally. The Big Bang Theory teaches that nothing exploded and created everything. Nothing, you are nothing. Nothing can create nothing. That's science nowadays. So keep in mind here as you go about your days and, you might see a National Geographic program or, studying in school, whatever, keep in mind the fact that just because a scientist says it, doesn't mean it's science.